Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the modification station in Subnautica below zero. Before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out any of my videos. So to get started, travel to the Delta Station dock and from here go towards the tower. Go through this cave and here you want to go straight. Go a little bit to the right. And here you'll see the Delta Station. Now go ahead and open the door, go to the first building, take out your scanner, and in the second room you'll see the damaged modification station. Go ahead and scan it, and as you can see, it's going to unlock a modification station. Now you can go ahead and travel back to your base. Once you're back at the station, pick out your habitat builder, go to interior modules, and here you'll see the modification station, on which you'll need a computer chip, titanium, diamond, and lead. Click on it and place it anywhere underground. This station is essential for continuing further in the game, and as you can see, you can craft a thermoblade, some sea truck depth upgrades, a prawn suit depth module, some fins, and ultra high capacity tank. So make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next time.